Hi, today we're going to show you everything that can fit into such a mini caravan. There aren't many caravans smaller than ours, but it's kind of expandable. Here in one video we showed how we extended the sleeping area. Otherwise, we also have an air conditioner here, which we usually carry in the car for balance. And what do we usually carry back here on the bed? We also leave it unfolded when we travel, so that's the paddleboard when we go to Croatia. And what's great is that under the unfolded bed, we can easily fit 3 comfortable chairs and a table. And now, on both sides of this space, there are benches where we store things, and we'll show you everything that can fit into such a mini caravan. We've already taken out the paddleboard, and the easiest way to load and unload things is to simply open the window, secure it, and that's great. Perfect. So now we always unlock one side and then the other, and then we can take things out. Here we always have the mattress nicely and conveniently divided into distinct sections, which serves as both comfortable seating and a practical bed, although it is true that we don't actually use it for sitting all that often, to be perfectly honest. There we go. And here we have storage space, and there's the same one on the other side as well. There we finally go. And what exactly all did we manage to perfectly fit in here within this particular space? Bedding? 2 sets. A really handy thing to have, 2 essential buckets, one specifically for washing dishes. Wow, that's quite convenient. Then, of course, there are all sorts of fun toys, as always, readily available. All right, and the soda stream, we'll set that aside now. We still have spare lights here. We'll leave the dishwasher here. And here we actually have a tank for the water, which we actually only have from the sink. We don't have this here, nor a shower. So the pressure cookers. We'll leave the fan here. It's always a caravan fan by default. Then we have a concentrator, which is also a lightweight caravan type. Here we have a great outdoor basket packed up. It doesn't fit in the caravan. Here we have some more toys. And here comes a bit of a heavy hitter, because when we go to Croatia, since our fridge isn't very big, we always bring our awesome mini ice maker. It chills all our warm drinks, so we can easily cool them down with some ice. We always bring it along, and it's a great gadget. And this side is already empty. The tent, that always stays here too. I'll also leave these here. And I think the soda stream can stay here too, but we'd better not leave the gas cylinder. Here on the side, we always have some extra storage space where we keep the donut float, some tools, cables, a mat, and similar things. What's great is that even when everything is packed up, I can just reach in from the side through the mattress like this, and I don't have to unpack everything completely. So that's one side done. And what we always do is leave the float here, so then we just move things around, put the mattresses back here, and open up the other side. Now let's move to the other side, where we have the same setup again. This is the backrest. And now we will install the seat cushion into place. And if we move it aside, here we have a bunch more things that fit in perfectly. Here we have a small table that we use for the cooler and the soda stream. When we're in Croatia or outside, we also have this great mat, which is new this year, for in front of the caravan. It's much better than the old one. It's really easy to maintain, and I think we should at least show a photo. If we can find one of how we had it in the summer, yeah, that would be great. It's heavy though, it's a solid piece, so we'll just pull it out for a moment. I should show what we have underneath it, and this here will stay permanently. Here we have 2 inflatable chairs, which you'll also see in the photo. And this is an absolutely great drying rack, which I don't think we have a photo of at all. We bought it ages ago at Pepco for just a few crowns, but it's honestly an amazing thing, so our laundry doesn't end up drying somewhere on a line like crazy. We have it all set up there really nicely. So that's one. That's basically how it stays packed. And then here we also have a blanket and some inflatables. Everything fits in there beautifully. You can fit an unbelievable amount of stuff, maybe even too much. Honestly, you end up having extra space here for no reason. So, and that's exactly what we have here. We'll take this out because it's our old top that we brought just in case, since we didn't know how everything would turn out, but it was fine, so we didn't need it. And here we have another miraculous helper that we bring with us, and that's the Ninja air fryer. And it was an incredible help because this year in Croatia the bread was really rubbery and we could always toast it, and it was great. Here we have some lights which really only create a minimal atmosphere because they didn't shine much. And here we have this awesome tarp, which when we posted photos on Facebook, a lot of people asked about, so you'll also be able to see it in the photo of our summer setup. And this is what the space looks like when it's completely empty. It's actually quite big. We chose not to have any kind of cutout space like side doors because we didn't like how it looked on the caravan, but it's still doable this way. We usually get in there at the beginning and then at the end of the holiday, and it's totally fine. And now, just like it looks on the side, but I'll put it back together again. Here, another one, another one. Now the seating looks much better. On the other side too. And what do we do to put it back? We still need to lift the table, so we have the regular seating here and not a bed. And this is what our little caravan looks like when we have the seating folded up and we carry the chairs under the table like this. The chairs are actually quite well secured with that leg, so they really can't move around much. And I should mention we have a new table this year. So we wrap it in a blanket to keep it from getting scratched. This way, the basket always fits in nicely. And another great trick for a third seat on the other side, when we use the smaller table, is this little chair from Dicoton, which you can sit on comfortably, and it hardly takes up any space. So now we've put the bed back together. There's a table under here, but I've covered it for now because we took off the duvets. We're going to remake the bed, so for now it's covered. And here we've now set up the air conditioner. If you're interested in more information about where we're able to put this air conditioner in this mini caravan and how it works, some specs, just let us know. We can make a video about it too. And otherwise, we'll basically have everything ready again for the next time we go out, so everything should be prepared. And now we're going to start getting the caravan ready for winter, because we won't have time to take it anywhere for a while. So thank you for watching. And one more thing, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.